Hello, if you're looking for the perfect mirror to elevate your decor, here's my review of the Uttermost Armrest Mirror. And it might be perfect for your space too. So we originally shopped for a living room mirror, but as soon as we unboxed this one, we absolutely fell in love and decided to hang it horizontally in our entryway. So this mirror measures 24 inches tall by 37 inches wide, making it a great statement piece without overwhelming the space. And the frame is a mix of iron and wood and has its soft gold finish and has a subtle silvery undertone. It's like very neutral, elegant, and easy to style. I also love the segmented detailing on the frame, which gives it modern yet timeless touch. And also what makes this mirror so special is how versatile it is. So whether your space is small or large, it just works. You can hang it horizontally like we did, or you can do it vertically if that fits your room better. It blends beautifully with different decor styles and looks stunning in an entryway, living room, bedroom, dining room, or even a hallway to open up the space. And also mounting was actually very simple because it comes ready to hang with hardware on the back, and my husband had it up just in minutes. Overall, this mirror has become one of my favorite pieces in our home. It's elegant, versatile, and just works in our space. I love it and highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.